Let's turn off autofill services in your device. When you try to log back into an application, you will get this kind of pop-up message which includes your personal data and login information including your saved password. In home screen, swipe up, then scroll down, then you can open settings like this. Then scroll down. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you find passwords, passkey and accounts. Then select the first one, prepared services. Just tap this pencil icon. Then you will get this option. The default selection is Google. Here select turn off or select none. Then in the pop-up window, tap or select turn off. Then that autofill option will be turn off. Then when you try to log back into an application or if you're filling out a form, it won't show up your personal data including your email, phone number as well as password like this. Yeah, that's it. See you on the next one.